Hello everyone, RRB NTPC CBT 2 2025 October 13 Shift 1 Analysis Part 2. Sunlight in presence of chlorine reacting with methane causes which of the following? The answer for this question is chloromethane formation, CH4Cl, free radical substitution reaction. Correct answer. Free radical substitution reaction. When CH4 react with chlorine, it gives CH3Cl plus SCl. It forms a radical substitution reaction. Chennai port falls under which maritime region? The answer for this question is Eastern Coastal Region और बे ऑफ बंगाल रीजन, पूर्वी तटीय क्षेत्र, बंगाल की खाड़ी क्षेत्र. Which tissue is responsible for the growth of the plants? The answer for this question is meristematic tissue, meristematic utak. What was the theme of the Worldwide Life Day 2025? The answer for this question is wildlife conservation, finance, investing in people and planet. वन्यजीव संरक्षण वित्त, लोगों और पृथ्वी में निवेश. Where did India's first AI powered Anganwadi started? The answer for this question is Vadhaman village, Nagpur district, Maharashtra. What is the full form of NCCF? National Cooperative Consumer Federation of India Limited, राष्ट्रीय सहकारी उपभोक्ता महासंघ Limited. Who were the founders of the Sadharan Brahmo Samaj? The answer for this question is Anand Mohan Bose, Umesh Chandra Dutt, and Sivanath Shastri. The Sadharan Brahmo Samaj was established on 15th May 1878 in Calcutta, now Kolkata. What is the maximum width of the cell in MS Excel? The answer for this question is 255 characters. In Microsoft Excel, the column width can be set up into 255 characters. Gharana is associated with which type of music? The answer for this question is Hindustani classical music. हिंदुस्तानी शास्त्रीय संगीत से संबंधित है. Who proposed the doctrine of lapse? The answer for this question is Lord Dalhousie. Introduced during British East India Company rule in India 1848 to 1856. What percentage of sunlight is actually received by green leaves for photosynthesis? The answer for this question is green plants received and capture about 1 to percentage to 3% of the sunlight that falls on their leaves to use for photosynthesis. The mortality of children of which age is counted for calculating infant mortality rate IMR? The answer for this question is children's below 1 year age. Who assumed the title of Gangaikonda Cholapuram? The answer for this question is Rajendra I assumed the title of Gangaikonda Cholapuram. By which process do plants absorb water from roots? The answer for this question is osmosis. Water from soil, low solute concentration to root cells, high solute concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. Osmosis is a process do plants absorb water from roots. Why does water in clay pots stay cool? The answer for this question is due to evaporative cooling. Vashpikaran Shitlan. Clay plots are porous, allowing in small amount of water to seep out. Who won the 2025 Cincinnati Championship? The answer for this question is men's single Carlos Alcaraz, women's singles Iga Swiatek. Which dance is performed during two sticks during Navaratri? The answer for this question is Dandiya Ras Garba. For what purpose did Gandhi launch the Champaran Satyagraha? The answer for this question is to protest against the तिनकटिया सिस्टम एंड एक्सप्लोटेशन ऑफ इंडिगो फार्मर्स, तिनकटिया प्रणाली और नील उत्पादक किसानों के शोषण के खिलाफ विरोध। ईयर 1917 इन चंपारन्ना, बिहार। What is the population of living in cities called? The answer for this question is urban population, शहरी जनसंख्या. In which lives in village and small settlements are called rural population, ग्रामीण जनसंख्या. Which country is called Dragon Kingdom? Bhutan, called the Dragon Kingdom. Bhutan is nicknamed the land of the Thunder Dragon, Dragon Kingdom. Who developed the theory of continental drift? The answer for this question is Alfred Wegener. Alfred Wegener developed the theory of continental drift. Proposed in 1912, the theory suggested that continents were once upon a part of a single landmass called Pangaea. What is a plain email called? The answer for this question is text email or plain text email. Sada part email. A plain mail is contains only text without any images, attachment, or special formatting. Life expectancy is related to what? The answer for this question is average expected lifespan of a person. किसी व्यक्ति की औसत आयु. The Rudra Brigade is a newly established all-forms combat formation of the Indian Army designed to enhance operational readiness and adaptability in modern warfare. It was officially announced on 26 July 2025 by the General Upendra Dwivedi and the Chief of Army Staff during the 26th Kargil Vijay Divas ceremony in Dras, Jammu and Kashmir. What is the primary force that enables water to reach tall plants? The answer for this question is transpiration pull. Samhan ki chhaav. Water is pulled upward from roots to leaves due to the transpiration from leaf surfaces. It creates a negative pressure suction force in xylem vessels. The primary force that enables water to reach the tall plants is transpiration pull is correct answer. Why does a grass grow faster after cutting? Which meristem is responsible? The answer for this question is because of intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem is present at the base of the leaves and stems in grass. What happens to the speed of the sound when the temperature increases? Speed of a sound increases, ध्वनि की गति बढ़ती है. The speed of sound in air directly proportional to the square root of the absolute temperature. If the speed of the sound increases, temperature also increases. What is the formula for Sense law? N1 sin theta 1 is equal to N2 sin theta 2. Sense का नियम होता है. N1 into refractive indices of the first and second medium. Theta angle of incidence. Theta 2 angle of refraction. Sense law describes refraction of light when it passes from one medium to another medium. What was the main goal of the Brundtland Report 1987? The answer for this question is sustainable development, सतत विकास. Correct answer होगा. Thank you for watching.